Hey YouTube family, what's up, this your boy Ray Mack. Today we're going to do is a breakfast sandwich because this is a requested video. Alright, so somebody requested for me to do some type of breakfast sandwich and I'm going to fulfill that request. So this is what we have because I'm going to do a ham and egg grilled cheese sandwich. So I have some ham, then I have 4 slices of bread, then I have 2 eggs, 2 slices of American cheese, some unsalted butter, some salt and pepper, and this is how simple as it gets, y'all. So let's get into this here video and let's get it popping. Alright YouTube family, I got a non-stick skillet right here and I ain't put no grease in it or nothing like that because I want this ham to brown up. So I got this on medium-high heat, so I did split the ham up. And I just want this side to brown up real quick. So this ham is already cooked. I just wanted to pretty much cook for at least around about 3 to 5 minutes until the side blackens a little bit. And I got the heat on high. Alright, now it's time to flip these. Let them brown on the other side. That's all I want to do is just brown this meat. Because like I said, it's already cooked. For our grilled toast, we're just going to slap on just a little bit of butter. Alright, I got a little bit of butter for our eggs. Just going to crack our egg. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a little bit of that salt. Because that ham already has some sodium in it. So you don't want to go heavy on that salt. And we're just going to add just some black pepper. I love black pepper on my eggs. Then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and bust the yolk. So at this point I want to go ahead and flip my egg. I'm just going to let that cook for about at least a good minute or a minute and a half or whatever the case may be. And then after this we'll go ahead and build our grilled cheese ham and egg sandwich. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just take this on out. That's how I like my eggs. So now what I'm going to do is just add just a little bit of butter, just a little bit. I'm going to get my toast up in here, my bread, move it around. And get my other one sliced in here and move it around in that butter. I want these to brown up. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and flip these. So right now I want to put some American cheese on that. Then I want to add my ham. And I cut that ham down so it'll fit the bread. Then I want to add my egg. And on top of that egg, I want to add my cheese. Now I want to take the bread, put that right on top, and I want to take just a little bit more butter. Move that around up on that. Now I want to take a little bit more butter and I want to flip it. Move that around just so that it can melt that cheese. And our sandwich is now ready. So let's go ahead and plate it on up. Alright, so here's our ham and egg and cheese, grilled cheese sandwiches. And I'm telling you, y'all, this is a good sandwich, a good breakfast. If you can see, use that American cheese because it drips. Oh my God, it drips. You'll love this here recipe, y'all. So whatever you do, please give this recipe a try. This is a requested video, and I'm hoping that the person who requested this will give this a try because you will definitely love this here recipe. Alright, so I want to say thank y'all for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please comment below. Let me know if you like this video, if you want to see more breakfast videos. And also give this video a thumbs up and share this, whether it be on Instagram, Facebook, or even Twitter. And I say love and not hate. And whatever you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I love y'all, man. And peace. Be kind to one another. I want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. If you haven't, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of up and coming videos. I want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. Now, if you could, please watch these videos. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, comment below. Let me know what you think about this here video. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody.